How to save note to files on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. Once you're on the main page, you can view all your notes on this page. Find and open the specific note that you wish to save to your device's files. After opening it, in the top right corner of the screen, locate and tap the Share icon. In the Share sheet that appears, scroll down through the list of actions and tap on the Save to Files option. You can now choose the folder where you'd like to save the note. After selecting your desired location, tap Save at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily save a note to files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.